Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to talk about the Asus TUF Gaming F15 if it's not turning on and what you can try to do. So the first thing that you can try to do is you want to press and hold the power button, so unplug everything, adapter, charger, USB, like everything, and then just hold the power button for about like 40 to 60 seconds if it's going to work out. So this is the first thing that you can try. The second thing that you can try is that you want to press Fn with the F7 or F8, maybe that is going to work out. Or what you can try to also do is to press Ctrl Shift, then also Windows with B, and try that also if it's going to work out or no. So these are the things that I wanted to make for like a quick video, what you can try to do about the Asus TUF Gaming F15 and how you can reset that. So Shift, Control, Windows, and B, and also holding the power button for about like 40 to 60 seconds. So thank you very much for watching. Hope you're having a great day, and goodbye.